a swirl of frosting, soft, sweet, seemingly simple. But behind it is hours of practice, a quiet persistence, a loving intention. Because for women who create, baking is not just about sugar and butter. It's about telling a story with texture, expressing emotion through every turn of the spatula. Each movement is layered with love, shaped by late nights and early mornings, shaped by dreams that never faded, even when no one else could see them. These hands aren't just skilled. They are sacred. They hold memories, ambition, joy, and healing. They craft more than cakes. They craft moments that live forever in the hearts of those who taste and see. There is purpose in every swirl. There is power in every touch. And in each quiet creation, a loud message is heard. This is more than baking. This is art. This is strength. This is love.